Binuklat na king publiko ing kapataindong alang musing exhibit king Museo ning Angeles inyang September 6, 2025. Sentro king exhibit rengat 32 imahe ning kaluguran na Birheng Maria, iba't kareng niyayaliwang parokya at deboto. At inyang tema iting Mother Mary, the guide of pilgrims to the way of hope. Kapag nasaning exhibit, ing ipakit, ing matatag kasalpantayanan at debosyon da reng Kapampangan at reng peregrino kang Maria bilang gabi ning pag-asa.
So this year po, since the Catholic Church celebrates the Year of Hope, the Jubilee Year of Hope, we would like to feature something that has a touch of hope. So this year, we conceptualized this exhibit in a way that we invited different camareros who had really a deep devotion to the Blessed Virgin Mother. So as you will be going to see the different images of the Blessed Virgin Mother, you will also encounter the different stories of the camareros, which will inspire not just only the faithful, but also those youth who would like to become a camarero someday.
Makabuklat siya yung exhibit manibat September 6 hanggang 20, 2025, alas 9 ning abak hanggang alas 5 ning gatpanapon, Lunes hanggang Sabado. Balang Domingo hanggang Mayaria ing talwing misa king Holy Rosary Parish Church o Pisambang Maragol. Metong kareng meni muna keti ing Kulyat Foundation Incorporated.
Tuloy meaning masanting tradisyon na aliwaliwang ecclesiastical exhibits. Yearly, we are trying to gather and invite people, not only Catholics, even for to visit us and see the magnificent and beautiful collections and images na atsuket kay katamang balen at ibang balen na andaman tao.
Metong niyang makabaldugang pamikatago niti para kareng bisita na akit reng niyayaliwang lupa ng kasalpantayanan kapamilatan da reng 32 Marian images abida king banwahan na tradisyon na iti. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.